Hello everyone, I'm Rim. I am an IT student of ITIS Urbino, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a code editor called Visual Studio Code. Welcome to this brief tutorial on Visual Studio Code, one of the most popular and versatile code editors available today. Released in 2015 by Microsoft, VS Code has quickly become the editor of choice for millions of developers worldwide. One of the first things you'll notice about VS Code is its powerful customization options. You can choose from a wide range of themes and preferences to tailor the editor's appearance and behavior to your workflow. The File Explorer allows you to easily navigate through your project files, while the syntax highlighting feature ensures that code is colorized clearly and legibly. Moreover, VS Code goes beyond just colorizing your code. It also helps you catch potential errors and optimize your code. If there are missing parts or unused variables, VS Code will highlight them, making it easier for you to spot and fix any issues before they become problematic. With IntelliSense, you can enjoy smart recommendations, automatic completion, and syntax recognition to enhance your productivity while coding. A fantastic aspect of VS Code is its ability to automatically recognize the programming language used in a file based on the file extension itself. This means that when you save a file with a specific extension, such as .c for C or .java for Java, VS Code automatically adapts to the language, providing you with all the relevant features and tools for that language. Despite its power, VS Code remains surprisingly lightweight and fast, ensuring a smooth and seamless development experience. Another outstanding feature of VS Code is its extensive range of keyboard shortcuts, allowing you to quickly perform a variety of actions without ever having to touch the mouse. From navigating through files to executing complex commands, the keyboard can truly do it all. Finally, don't forget to explore the VS Code extensions ecosystem. With thousands of extensions available, you can further customize the editor and add specific features to your workflow. And that's all. Last tip I could give you if you're interested, try mastering all keyboard shortcuts. From navigating files to debugging, keyboard can replace mouse at anything. So what more can I say? Hope you enjoyed the video and happy coding!